Hey, this is Ernan over at Riverside Indian Triumph. Here's a 2024 Sport Chief. We added a couple of accessories to this one, which is the riser kit, longer wires. So it goes from a 6-inch riser to a 10-inch, that whole integrated gauge cluster that has navigation, audio controls. We also did the taller windshield. Stock equipment on this bike is inverted forks, dual Brembo disc brakes, 116 power plant, Fox Racing suspension in the back. Super nice bike. Come on down to Riverside Indian Triumph. Let's get you on a test ride, get you on two wheels. See you soon.